Hello again, Handy Andy Handyman. Welcome back to another quick run through on a project. We're in Cumming today, and we're doing an inspection repair bid for the seller of a property here for the real estate agent. And when you see this kind of a haziness to your window right here, that lets you know that the seal is blown. Now, sometimes there are some windows like this where a 3M sun film has been applied, a solar film has been applied, or a tint, and that can be damaged by cleaners. And that's kind of what the homeowner here thought. But no, these are builder grade windows, and there's nothing really wrong with them, but in areas where they get a lot of sunlight on the front or back of this house, the seals can blow when the windows expand and contract, and eventually the gaskets fail. And that's what's happened. So you've got probably 6 or 8 of them on the upper portion of the house, and then you've got 6 on the downstairs. So we're one of the few companies left in Atlanta that will actually remove this window sash, replace the glass unit. We have them custom built for us. We used to be able to do it in 24 hours, and since COVID, we can't. It takes about a week to 10 days to get these windows made for us now, just depending. But everybody else is telling you got to replace the whole sash for that reason, because they don't have the manufacturing facility that we do. But it's just hard to do it, and most contractors want the easiest pass. They'll tell you got to replace all 6 of these windows, which is ludicrous because they don't make this exact sash anymore. But anyway, so we'll just repair this glass for a fraction of what other people are going to try and charge. The rest of the stuff on the house, you can sort of see it here as we come across right here. The inspector noted some rotted wood, and so we've got 2 rotted centers here, and part of it was repaired probably the last time when these folks bought it. Someone came in here with a horizontal cut and it rotted it again. So when we do these kind of repairs, we do a weather cut, which is a 45. The replacement piece of wood, which will be down here and down here, will be back primed and sealed on all 6 faces of the wood. It has a lifetime of ownership warranty. So if it rots again, we come replace it for free. This window up here, which is a sewing room, you're not gonna be able to see it in the video. It's got a rotted center here as well. Some of these windows are blown. You can kind of see the haziness on this sash right here. There's 2 in this window right here, which is the middle bedroom. This gable over here, this gable window over the garage, this one has this is the master closet. This upper sash the seal is blown. You can kind of see the haziness. You can't see the nose. One of these noses is rotted as well. On this side of the house, we've got a nose here. Again, you can see here's a clearer view of the window since we don't have the sun today. See this haziness right here? It's not a film. It's actually the seals are blown. So top one, bottom one, and we can have those repaired. This window, I forget which one now. You'll have to forgive me, but it's either the nose or the center on this window. One of them just needs to be painted, which I think is this office window, but I'll go back through my notes here in a minute. It's been a very busy morning here already. Inside, outside inspection repairs. One of the reasons a lot of homeowners and real estate agents use us is we do about 98% of what you're going to want to have done on your house. So we're a one-call, does-it-all type of an operation. So when you look at the angle of this window, see how it compares to that one? Pretty basic stuff. A lot of these houses in Cumming, they're framed well, but the exterior stuff was built really quickly and then spray painted. They never had a good paint job on this stuff. This house was painted not too long ago. Again, you've got window seals are blown in the basement. This window right here, top and bottom here. Single window, I believe right here is blown. The upper trim on this chimney up here is 5/4 boards. It's hard to see to this angle. The inspector either backed way up into there. It's kind of wet, so I'm not going to do that today. But these upper corner boards have been repaired before with a horizontal cut. So that just traps the water and rots it out again. So we'll go ahead and re-repair those. This nose right here got it. So whenever you see this kind of wrinkling in the wood, this is rotted through. So this nose will be replaced. These window seals on the corner window are both blown right here. And you can't really see it so well from this. You can see a little bit here. See this, it looks like overspray paint. It's not. Up in this corner of the deck, it's really not structural. It's not going anywhere, but the inspector noted that they split, the wood's not split, they just took a gauge out of it when they did it. So we'll skim that out and fix it, but not a big thing. All basic stuff. The inside stuff is minor electrical, minor plumbing, all things that are certainly important to get fixed. And we can do that with a one-call, does-it-all approach. Everything we do is warranted. From painting to bathroom remodels and renovations, flooring, windows, carpentry trim, decks, siding, a lot of stuff that we do here at Handy Handy. My brother and I run a crew of 30 guys. We're all over Metro Atlanta. When I leave here, I'm headed to Kennesaw and then down into East Cobb and Vining. So busy day. We live for this stuff. It's hard to believe that I've been doing this for 30 years in Atlanta. And we certainly thank everyone for the business. Whatever you need, you can catch us in the office or you can catch me directly sometimes at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.